Are you ready to take your Canva designs to the next level with custom fonts? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload fonts in Canva, both on desktop and mobile, in just a few simple steps, so you can make your designs truly unique. First, start by opening the Canva desktop app or visiting the Canva website and log into your Canva Pro account. Remember, uploading custom fonts is only available for Pro users, so make sure you're on the right plan. Once you're in, head over to the brand kit. You can find it by clicking on Brand in the left-hand menu, then select the Brand Kit tab. This is where all your fonts, colors, and logos live, making it easy to keep your designs consistent. Next, scroll down to the Brand Fonts section and click the Add New button. From the options that appear, select Upload a Font. Now click Choose Files and pick the font file from your computer. Keep in mind, Canva supports .otf, .ttf, or .woff formats, so make sure your font matches one of these. Before uploading, Canva will ask you to confirm that you have the license or rights to use the font. Once you confirm, click Yes, Upload Away, and wait for the upload process to finish. Depending on your font size, this may take a few seconds. And just like that, your custom font is ready to use. Simply open any text box in your design, click the Font drop-down menu, and you'll see your newly uploaded font waiting for you. Now your designs can truly reflect your personal style or brand identity. Uploading fonts in Canva is that simple, and now you have endless possibilities to make your project stand out. Start exploring your new fonts and elevate every design you create.